bitches think I'm dumb. Bitch, I'm too important, my account be looking dumb. This extended clip is long, yeah, I bang it, then I run. Nigga, I be tripping on God. In the Mozzie, I get money, not crumbs. My bitch is so important, she came straight from London. Yeah, I wanna call her when I shop her for my mom. These niggas act like dirty, these niggas crazy. Oh, shoot.
What? We have somebody. Hey. What's up?
What's up, dude? Good to see you. Good morning. How are you?
Hi.
Hi, Mike. All right, guys. Good morning to you guys. We have NOS here. It's something we've been waiting for.
Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Yeah. What's up?
Senior What's
How's it going? How's it going? Nice.
Yeah.
Dude, we just got a fridge from NOS. NOS gave us a little fridge and stocked up the fridge. So we're gonna open it up and check it out. Hey guys. Come out here. Check it out.
What do you think? Look at this.
Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Who's got a knife?
Oh man, no, go ahead. I gotta take off my jacket for this. I'm excited.
It's supposed to be like legit. I don't know.
I sure hope so.
Let's see. It's official.
Made out of foam. Lightweight carbon fiber. That's what it is.
Cases each. So probably like.
Oh, definitely the bottom of all meat.
Oh shit, these NASCARs are fancy.
Yo, look at this.
These are rowdy.
Ooh, can you feel this?
These are rowdy. Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
It's like engraved. NOS is stepping their game up.
What?
This is what we waited for. Take my hand.
Bro, this is our senior ditch day.
Is it senior dish day? Woo! Senior dish day! Yeah! Side note, I'm not promoting senior ditch days. You guys are bad. Naughty.
Hey Mike,
Yo, what's up?
you might want to come out here, we just got some cool stuff.
Sick, on my way. Scooter, on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Fucking here.
Oh, yeah.
I know, right?
We just got our shipment of boards in. We'll start producing some custom boards. You guys want to check it out? Link in the description, jdmbrand.com. My car's on there, Lemonade's on there. Maybe we'll collab with some other YouTubers. They're actually 7-ply maple from Canada. Canada, bro. Oh, check.
That's dope.
Hell yeah.
These are things. Who's at the office? Hi, love. Come on. Come on. Happy birthday, bro. Teacher on. It's so delicious. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Say what's up. You want a NOS?
Sure, why not?
Pick one. Pick one. Pick your poison.
The cherry, the best.
Grab.
Tastes like the icy.
What's up, bro?
What up?
He got one of the backpacks.
Hell
Look
yeah.
at this. Upgraded his camera recently.
Booyah.
What? I'm gonna take this to my side. Okay. Nice, dude.
And then also got a stabilizer recently too as well.
Okay. How do you like the backpack so far?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't have a drone yet, but all the powers. Even a suction cup mount too.
Nice. Oh my God, now that we all got food coma, it's time to get back to work.
You know what? I want to fix that.
AutoCon is 29th, which is what, a week from now? Well, by the time you guys watch this, like roughly 8 days or so.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of these boards. We want to hang up and make it nice and pretty. So you guys, the idea is you guys come into the trailer, walk through, be able to see art pieces and stuff on the wall, and then continue down here. And this wall right here will be all black. You guys can sign it with a Sharpie, which I think is awesome. And you exit through this door. So working really hard to get this done for you guys. And then you guys will hang out with all the YouTubers over here. How this looks.
Okay, so that's not too bad for depth. So if I did,
I'm trying to figure out what's the best kind of vision. That's actually pretty cool.
it is.
What up? Oh my god. Oh my god. Your son right there, huh? Asian. What, you call me Mr. Mike?
Okay, so we are gonna mess with Rob.
Hey, Rob. Yeah. Real quick. Hey! Yeah. Dirty! I saw Ray. Hey, I'm just trying to do numbers. They told me to do this. All they said was, tell Rob to come in here. Okay, I got some news. You guys ready? So, very close to the warehouse, or the office. Very close to getting the deal. So they counter offered us. We're countering back one more time. I'm scared. Goddamn America! Edgar! Motherfucking America! Goddamn America! Y'all better watch where you're coming from, because this is my wall and none of y'all coming past it. Fucking America, bro! See this shit? Yeah! Hey! Oh shit!
No, this is good. Like,
This is like perfect.
Hey, so what y'all do here? What do y'all do at this tuner crate I heard about?
oh yeah, we just we make shirts, and stickers, and we put them into a box, and then we take your money.
America! Hey, I heard your name is Shark Boy. Shark Boy? America! Shit. Is it a voice changer? What the hell? He's taking pictures of GTR. Oh, he comes in. Lumberjack butt crack. Is it getting cold down there, Sonny? Lumberjack butt crack. Get him on the radio. Hold on. Hey, John. Hey, can you help me move this pallet real quick? Damn! Got shot in the nutsack. Yeah. Lumberjack butt crack. Hey guys. Yeah. Quick update on the property. Ooh. So, they took everything except the deposit. Oh. Which it's impossible. We can't take it. It's impossible.
Yeah. And then you tell them no deal and walk away, and then they'll be like, whoa.
Yeah, but everything else they agreed on. They said they can definitely work out. But the deposit is just fucking astronomical, so. Yeah. So you guys are following throughout the day, and we're doing live negotiations via email, and we're trying to meet in person, but he's kind of lives far away. we're trying to get the new space that you guys saw like 2 or 3 vlogs ago, and I'm keeping the conversation open to the team so they understand like my mentality and the money that's moved around. So it's not like I'm the owner that doesn't tell them anything. I tell them a lot of numbers so they understand like how much we're spending and why we're spending it, because in the end we all mutually benefit from it. And we're negotiating this and hoping that we get the spot, but it has to be reasonable because I'm not made of money. So we want to make sure that we're smart about it and understand they got a business to run too. So we got to negotiate back and forth, and I don't mind paying if we had a lot of money, but we got to be reasonable. So right now we're just waiting for more negotiations, and if it does work, we get it. If we don't, then we won't. End of day. What's up? What's up, bro? Damn, look at you.
Finally meet you again.
Fucking nice.
Damn. Out of work right now, bro.
This. Oh, well, look at, we're parked in the middle in people's ways.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw.
Josh walked up on me like he's about to kick my ass. Calm the fuck down. Calm down with the muscles. Calm down now. It's having like a little date with our buddy Josh. Oh my god.
It's belly.
So loud! It's just so loud!
Okay, fast forward to the end of the night. Holy shit. I think they might have accepted our offer. We're gonna check out the place again at nighttime, and I'll be back to tell you what's going on.